Because I have my tummy. You said I am user. Why you know me personally? Why you judge me? You know me who is I am? For you are very judging of me. I know better myself than yours. All of you don't know myself. I know better myself. Okay?
I noticed you changed your profile picture.
Because you changed your profile picture, so I changed my profile picture.
Who changed your profile picture first?
Me. Why I changed my profile picture? Because I'm angry. And then you change your profile
Okay,
picture.
but you said you would not. You said you would not.
You stop to me. Ay, laban na kang auto me. Sige ni mong pangitag rason para mga away. You stop. You are finding things to be angry. Now, my question now. Do you want us to back in relationship? Yes or no, or we will be forever friend?
Yes, or you have to block Blaze.
What?
Yes, but you have to block Blaze.
What? Yes, you must complete your answer.
Yes, come back to me, but you have to block Blaze.
Come back to me. Sana all. You cannot say, Angie, I will come back to you. Rather, I will come back to you. Oh my God, Tom.
Hold on.
Tingnan niyo ang mukha ko. Wala yang filter. Natural beauty. Organic. Walang halong chemical. Tingnan niyo kung gaano ako ka ganda. Nakita niyo?